Today on the Grill Top Experience, I'm going to make roasted potatoes, andouille sausage, and Dungeness crab all on the Weber kettle, and it's real easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is prepare the sauce for the potatoes and the crab. It's a half stick of melted butter, the juice from a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Dip each potato in the sauce, making sure to cover it from head to toe, and then set it aside. Then sprinkle some kosher salt on them and they're ready for the grill. My grill is set up for indirect cooking and preheated to 375 degrees, and we're going to let these go for about 25 minutes before adding the rest. When the 25 minutes is up, move the potatoes to the side to make room for the other items. Then put on the andouille sausage, but you can substitute your favorite links. Just make sure you place them near the fire. And then place the crabs in the cast iron pan in the remaining space. You're going to coat the crabs generously with the sauce and be sure to flip them over and get all sides. The sour and spicy sauce complements the crab well, but doesn't overpower its natural flavors. And the cast iron pan holds the juices and steams the crabs as they cook. These crabs are pre-cooked and only need about 20 minutes to warm back up, so be sure you don't overcook them or they're going to be dry and tough. What do you do while you're waiting at the grill? Leave a comment below and share some ideas. I usually watch YouTube videos for inspiration. After about 20 minutes, the potatoes should be fork tender and the crab is piping hot. So take them off and enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos about grilling, smoking, and cooking with fire, subscribe.